Welcome to this tutorial on how to swap tokens on Uniswap, a popular decentralized exchange platform. Swapping tokens on Uniswap allows you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another in a trustless and permissionless manner. To get started, you will need a digital wallet such as MetaMask, and some Ether to cover transaction fees. First, navigate to the Uniswap website and click on the Launch App button. This will take you to the Uniswap interface where you can connect your digital wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and select your wallet provider from the list of options. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet to Uniswap. Once your wallet is connected, you can begin the token swapping process. In the From field, select the token you want to swap. And in the To field, select the token you want to receive. You can search for tokens by name or paste the contract address into the search bar. Enter the amount of tokens you want to swap, and Uniswap will display the estimated amount of tokens you will receive. The estimated amount is based on the current market price and liquidity of the tokens. You can also view the transaction details, including the slippage tolerance and gas fee. Before confirming the transaction, make sure to review the details carefully. Check the amount of tokens you are swapping, the amount of tokens you will receive, and the estimated gas fee. If everything looks correct, click on the Swap button to confirm the transaction. Your wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details again. And if everything is correct, confirm the transaction. The transaction will then be broadcast to the Ethereum network. And once it is confirmed, the tokens will be swapped. It is essential to note that Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, and as such, it is a relatively complex platform. Be sure to understand the risks involved, including market volatility, liquidity risks, and smart contract risks. Additionally, always use reputable wallets and keep your private keys secure. In conclusion, swapping tokens on Uniswap is a straightforward process. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely and efficiently swap tokens on Uniswap. Remember to always prioritize security and do your own research before engaging with any cryptocurrency platform.